Archana Thakur, practicing yoga for last 4 years with Aina Yoga Academy. Yoga came to my life when I was going through a lot of issues, lot of concerns, both physically and emotionally. And then I started practicing yoga. I started with Vinyasa and Hatha practices, and it helped me a lot to become a better and a happier person. So I wanted to explore more on it, and I did a teacher training course from my institute. Learned in it, brought lot of clarity to me about how life should be balanced and how we need to be both active as well as passive. Modern day, especially city lives, is full of rush, full of noise. Everybody is wanting something, desiring something, which is all good, but at the same time it is also important for us to relax our body, to be good to your body, to be good to your mind. Nowadays people are mostly stressed, not just physically but also emotionally and mentally. A lot of things happening around, lot of issues like weight gain, hormonal problems, and lot of mental health concerns are coming up. So in all those cases there are other well-being forms, but yoga is also one form which can definitely be opted for. I have tried different forms of workouts also before trying yoga, and all have helped me in some or the other ways. But when I came to yoga, the difference I felt was it went beyond fitness level. It was just not the physical aspect. It worked a lot internally on myself by strengthening me, bringing more balance, bringing more self-awareness, which I felt was lacking, connecting more to my own body, to my own breath. In that way, it evolved me to a much better and a happier person. Yin Yoga aims to bring the balance within us. It's a complementary to Yang practices. It creates balances by strengthening, by bringing flexibility, by bringing clarity of thoughts in all its possible ways, and an overall relaxation you experience both mentally and emotionally. It is a passive form of workout, but it is one of the workout which work at a very deeper level of tissues. It goes till your tendons, till your ligaments, till your fascias. Kids onwards can start, but there has to be separate kids yoga, which have different teachers for them nowadays. But other than that, any adults after 18 can join any other centers and do all forms of yoga. When you're starting, we would suggest to start with power or vinyasa form of yoga. Then they can move to other forms like hatha and yin practice to explore it more deeper. I'm working as a freelancer mostly, so I take classes on weekends at various community centers. I'm going to start here at the Artery soon. Also, I've taken classes at Decathlon, Lahe Lahe, My Botry. Also, I work as a teacher in Aina. Sometimes I take backup classes there for Yin, which have 2 centers, one in Jayanagar and one in HSR.
Don't forget to subscribe to TGF and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.